We kill hope in our people. We have robbed them of that which they only possess. This hope obviously will build tenacity and indomitability amongst our people. We need these conversations. We may go to war against each other. At the end, we'll say, let's sit down and talk. These conversations must be all-inclusive. These conversations must transform the situation for the better. These conversations must recognize the humanity of everyone. If what we read from the social media about abductions and many other things are true, then this nation is undergoing degeneration. We only draw comfort from our hope that perhaps these things are exaggerated. But it's our case as a church to closely monitor the events on the ground. As I leave this podium, I charge you therefore, brethren, that one body, many parts.